Welcome back, everybody. This is Paul with Forgotten Loft. We're gonna go in here and see if these two white birds hatched this morning or not. I've been at work all day, so I haven't had time to come out here and check on them. Let's see here. Should be up here at the top. Let's see what we got. Oh, not yet. Wow. They are taking their sweet time. Let's see here. I gotta be careful. There we go. So, I'm trying to get the lighting right for y'all. Let's see here. There you go. You can see up here it is. Bird is chipping away. So these guys will be here probably later on tonight. Calm down. Wow. Super protected. Wow. Let's get that out of there. That's a good thing. Strong bird. Alrighty. Oh no, they're starting to build a nest there. I should have pulled that bowl. Let's check on this little fella under here. Yeah, you're a lot calmer. I can handle that. Show me your face. Okay. Alright. Let me see. Okay. Alright. Pretty healthy bird. Gotta band you. We'll try to band you tomorrow. So we need to band that bird. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, I forgot to mention. Let's see, which one of you is it? Let's see, I think it was this one right here. That one right there has been gone for 2 days. And it went away with another bird I have that has a pink band on. And that one still hasn't come back, but I saw it early this morning when I left for work up in a tree sitting with this fella right here. And this one decided to finally come back to the loft. So I've got him in here. I actually need to get a hold of him and check him out and make sure he's okay, healthy and all that good stuff. Worried about the other one. She's been hanging around. I've seen her fly around the area, but I wish she'd just come on back in. I'm thinking that I might need to hold on to him for a couple of days before I let him out again. If you have any suggestions, if any of y'all have ever had any birds leave the loft to go fly for the day and never return back for 2 days or even longer, what did you do after they finally returned? Did you keep them locked up for a little bit, or did you just go about the normal business of letting them out and fly day to day? Leave a comment and let me know. Curious to hear what everybody has to say. So we got this squeaker down here, and then we've got this one up here about 4 or 5 days old. And then, of course, we have the two eggs that will be hatching later tonight, early in the morning. Boy, you are not happy with me. This is one of my big birds. I mean, this guy, look how big. This is a big bird. Look at that. Real strong too. Real strong compared to all my other birds. Now these guys right here with the yellow bands. I bought these birds full grown, so they're my prisoners. And they are not very tame at all, as you can see. So with my other birds, I've definitely been trying to work with that to get them more tame, be able to handle better. I'm going to build another loft, and I showed it in one of my videos previously that I was chopping down a bunch of trees, clear out some space to build another loft. We've done a lot of work trying to get some more done, and then as I clear out things, the kids decide to make little forts and stuff out of the area I'm trying to clear out of. But alright, well, it's a good day. About to have two new babies. One bird finally returned to the loft, and it's a good day. Other than the weather is really crappy. A lot of wind, and it's about to storm here real soon. So no flying for the birds today. Hopefully we'll have better weather tomorrow. But thank you for tuning in, and I'll have more videos in the future, of course. This is Paul with Forgotten Loft.